Good morning, students. Now this is lecture 3 of the chapter relation. Now in the previous lecture 2, we have discussed about the reflexive relation and condition for reflexivity. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss symmetric relation. Clear? Actually, for equivalence relation, clear, all these three conditions must be satisfied. Any relation is called equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric, as well as transitive. Clear? So we have already discussed in the previous lecture about the reflexivity. Now we are going to discuss about the symmetric relation. Clear? So symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Now what is symmetric relation? So first of all, write definition. Let R is a relation on set A such that if A comma B belongs to R, then this implies B comma A also belongs to R. For all A comma B belongs to set A, then R is called symmetric relation. So this is the mathematical definition of symmetric relation. If I let R is a relation on set A such that if A related to B, then B is also related to A. Simply, literally we can say that if any relation relates one element with other element and same relation relates other element with the first element, then the relation is called symmetric relation. That means that relation relates both the element, first element with the second element with the first, then the relation is called symmetrical relation. So here I have written same in mathematical form. So what is the condition for symmetricity of any relation? See, for condition for symmetricity is if any relation relate A with B, then the same relation must relate B with A. This is the condition for symmetricity. Now, so let us explain this with the help of example. Now suppose a relation is given. Suppose A is a set 1, 2, 3, and a relation R is given 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2. Now let it be R1. Let the second relation also in the same set 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now is R1 symmetric relation in this set A? So what is the condition for symmetricity? If A related to B, if A related to B, then B must be related to A. That is the condition for symmetricity. So here observe 1 is related to 2, Then for symmetric relation, 2 also must be related to 1. So 1 is related to 2, and here it is 2 is related to 1. So 1 and 2 both are related with each other. So both these are present in the relation. Therefore, now see this one. 2 is related to 3, clear? And for the symmetricity, condition is that 3 also must be related to 2. If A is related to B, B must be related to A. So 2 is related to 3, clear? So for symmetricity, 3 also must be related to 2. 3 it is given, 3 is related to 2. It means element of this relation satisfy this condition. So this is symmetric relation. This one is symmetric relation. It is symmetric relation. Now see the example 2. Here 1 is related to 2, clear? And 2 is also related to 1. It means this element satisfies the condition of symmetricity. But here 2 is related to 3. So for the symmetricity, 3 also must be related to 2. But it is not given in the relation. It means it is not symmetric relation. Not symmetric relation. Not symmetric relation. Because of this. Because for symmetricity, what is the condition? If A related to B, B also must be related to A. So if 2 is related to 3, there should be 3 related to 2. But that is not given here, so that's why it is not symmetric relation. Now, so if relation is given in roster form, then by observation you can easily identify whether it is symmetric or not. Clear? But if relation is given in set builder form, then how can we check symmetricity? Suppose I am giving another question. Suppose one relation is given R, relation R, X is related to Y such that X belongs to integer, Y belongs to integer, and X minus Y is an even integer. So here what is given in the question? X is related to Y if X minus Y is an even integer. Clear? And X and Y both belongs to set of integer. So here set is given integer. Now this relation is given in set builder form, and we have to prove that it is a symmetric relation. So how can we prove it is symmetric relation? So here with the help of example we cannot claim that it is a symmetric relation. See, if you have to prove that this is not a symmetric relation, then by giving one example only you can claim that it is not a symmetric relation. Clear? If any one example does not satisfy the condition of symmetricity, then immediately you can claim that given relation is not symmetric relation. But if you have to prove symmetric relation, then by one example you cannot claim that it is a symmetric relation. It may be possible that one example satisfies the symmetricity, but other example will not satisfy the condition of symmetricity. So this is not the good idea to prove symmetricity by giving one example. Clear? So if you want to prove symmetricity of any relation, clear, which is given in set builder form, then prove it in general way. So what is the general way to prove symmetricity? Look here. If you want to prove symmetricity of any relation, then how you should proceed? Let X and Y are two arbitrary element in set Z such that x y belongs to R. It means x is related to y. Because what is the condition for symmetricity? If A related to B, then B must be related to A. Clear? अगर A B से related है तो B A से related होना चाहिए. Clear? So if you want to prove symmetricity in general way, consider two arbitrary elements of the given set and assume that x is related to y. Now with the help of this assumption, we have to show that y is also related to x. Clear? So what is our assumption? X is related to y. X is related to y. So this implies x minus y is an even integer. Is an even integer according to the relation. Now with the help of this statement, now we have to prove that y is also related to x. So how can we prove? Take minus common from here. So y will be positive, x will be negative. This statement is correct. Now if negative of any number is even integer, then its positive also will be even integer. If minus 2 is even integer, then of course plus 2 also will be even integer. If minus 4 is even integer, then of course plus 4 also will be even integer. So if minus of y minus x is even integer, then y minus x is also even integer. Simple mathematical logic. If negative of any number is even integer, then positive of that number also will be even integer. So we have proved that y minus x is even integer, and from here we can say that if y minus x is even integer, it means y is related to x. It means y is related to x. So we have proved that if x is related to y, then y is also related to x. Therefore, now we can claim that R is symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. And after that, if you want to give an example to strengthen your logic, clear, then you can give an example also. So this is the correct way to prove symmetricity. Clear? You should try to prove in general way. If you are not knowing general way to prove symmetricity, then instead of leaving the answer, you can prove it by using example also. Clear? But first try to prove with the help of with general way. So this is all about the symmetric relation. Now let us take some literal example. Now is friend of. Suppose I am taking a relation friend. Now is this relation friend symmetric relation? So answer will be yes, it is a symmetric relation. How? If one person is friend of other person, definitely other person will be friend of first person. Clear? Because friendship cannot be one-sided. So if I am saying that Mr. A is friend of Mr. B, then definitely Mr. B also will be friend of Mr. A. So if friend relates A to B, then same relation friend will relate B to A. So is friend of is an example of symmetric relation. Now is brother of, is it symmetric relation? So think, is brother of is a symmetric relation or not? So answer is it is not symmetric relation. Why? Let us consider one example. Suppose I am saying that Mohan is brother of Radha. But same relation cannot relate Radha with Mohan. Radha is sister of Mohan, not the brother. So Mohan is brother of Radha. That means Mohan is related to Radha by the relation brother. But Radha is related to Mohan by the relation sister, not by the relation brother. So is brother of is not a symmetric relation. So this is all about the symmetric relation.